Hey guys, I'm Chef Delz and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a healthy cauliflower salad recipe which has tandoori style cauliflower with some bell peppers, some onions, some caramelized walnuts and some lettuce leaves. So guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes every week. You can even follow me on Instagram at chef_Delz. For now, let's move on with the recipe. Let's begin with the tandoori cauliflower. We have 4 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli paste, half a tablespoon of jeera powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a tablespoon of tandoori masala powder, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, about a teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt to season, and finally 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now let's whisk this up till you get a nice smooth marinade and add the cut up cauliflower florets to this. Mix it up well and keep aside for about 30 minutes. Now transfer the cauliflower to a baking tray and bake at about 250 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes and allow it to cool. Moving on to the onions and bell peppers, heat about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add the sliced onions, the bell peppers which I have cut into strips, and saute for about 2 minutes. Season with a little bit of chaat masala powder, add some chopped coriander, mix it up and leave it aside to cool. For the caramelized walnuts, heat about 100 grams of sugar with about 5 tablespoons of water and cook it till you get a nice golden caramel and take it off the heat. Add the walnuts to this and coat them uniformly with the caramel. Grease a tray with a little bit of vegetable oil and individually place the walnuts on it. Then allow them to cool. Now finally, to bring the salad together, let's just combine the cauliflower, the onions and bell peppers, some lettuce. I'm using iceberg lettuce, but feel free to use any other lettuce that you can find. The caramelized walnuts and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now let's mix this all up together so that all the components are evenly coated with the olive oil and the marination from the cauliflower. And your salad is ready. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. Please do leave your queries in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, definitely do subscribe for more easy recipes just like this one.